So we found a crazy, unique kind of situation. When they originally roughed this, um, you can look down in there. You can see it's crooked. This is the toilet drain pipe, and what you can see is deep down inside. You can see that it's completely crooked. And what they did was, it was only going to be about 10 or 11 inches off the wall. They melted it and pulled it over approximately 2 inches, the last 12 inches. And what that has done is, that means the pipe at the top is no longer straight. You can see how they cut it all jaggedly. When they applied the flange is crooked, which doesn't allow the toilet to sit properly. And they have totally messed up our ability to put a new toilet on. And in this case, the customer never knew about it. And the person who did it before never told anyone. So now to repair this, we're going to have to dig down approximately 2 to 3 feet to where the original pipe is, cut it off, attach a proper connector to it, and then make it about 12 inches off the wall for that to fix. This is a completely unique situation, something I've never seen before on any job site. I just want to share it with you today.
Mattbeth.